Release, returning to center. Transitioning into standing postures, coming to face the seat of the chair, exploring modified downward facing dog pose. Place the hands to the seat of the chair and step the feet back hip width apart or slightly wider. Breathe as you stretch the hips back, toning through the belly, rolling the shoulders open away from the ears, allowing gravity to lengthen the spine. Feeling unrushed, step the feet forward with the feet below the hips and the hands to the seat of the chair, lengthening the spine. Exhale into standing forward bend, folding from the hip creases. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale into standing forward bend, using the chair for support. Inhale, lift halfway, lengthen the spine. Clasping the sides of the chair, step the feet back into modified plank position. Align the shoulders over the wrists. With the core engaged, drawing the navel back towards the spine. Feeling the legs active as you lengthen the tailbone towards the heels. If appropriate for your body today, lower the hips towards the seat of the chair, lifting the heart, drawing the shoulder blades down the back, spreading the collarbones wide for modified upward facing dog pose. Exhale, draw the belly up and back into modified downward facing dog pose. Continue toning through the belly, pressing the thighs back, lengthening both sides of the waist equally long. Transitioning into modified triangle pose, step the right foot forward beneath the chair, with the right hand to the seat of the chair for support, reaching the top arm to the sky. Reach and extend through the arms and legs, feeling the hips open, lengthening through both sides of the waist. For more of a challenge, coming to the fingertips, becoming lighter in the supporting hand, activating the core. Slowly release, transitioning into modified downward facing dog. Repeating modified triangle pose to the opposite side, step the left foot forward beneath the chair, aligning the front heel with the back arch, rooting down through the outer edge of the back foot, toes turned open slightly. Reaching the top arm to the sky, extend both arms from the core of your heart. And for more of a challenge, becoming lighter in the supporting hand, feeling the core strong. Continue to adjust the torso and pelvis over the legs in the same plane as the feet, lengthening the tailbone towards the back heel. Release, transitioning into modified plank position. Clasp the sides of the chair, drawing the shoulders over the wrists and the navel back, lengthening through the heels. For more of a challenge, draw the right knee in towards the chest. Release and switch. Continue with this movement, alternating right and left, maintaining the alignment of the shoulders over the wrists, cinching in around the waist, feeling the core strong. Pausing in plank position. Inhale, lift through the heart, lower the hips towards the seat of the chair, keeping the core engaged while drawing the heads of the shoulders down and back. Exhale, lift the hips up and back into downward facing dog pose. With the hands to the seat of the chair, roll the shoulders open away from the ears, allowing the head and neck to relax. Transitioning into modified half moon pose, step the right foot halfway forward, placing the right hand to the seat of the chair for support, in line with the right shoulder. Lift and extend the left leg parallel to the earth, and when you're ready, reach the top arm to the sky. For more of a challenge, becoming lighter in the supporting hand, actively engaging the core while rolling the left hip and outer right thigh back, taking the front body into the back body. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Placing the left hand to the seat of the chair for support, lift and extend through the right leg, opening across the hips. Reach the top arm to the sky, and for more of a challenge, becoming lighter in the supporting hand, engaging the core, stabilizing through the upper body. Slowly release. Transition into downward facing dog pose. With the hands clasping to the sides of the chair, draw the heart forward into plank position. Drawing the navel back towards the spine, lift the right leg and hold. Maintain the shoulders over the wrists, flexing through the right foot. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Lift the left leg and hold, keeping the body in one straight line, feeling the core strong. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Lift and extend through the right leg. Release and repeat once more. Lift and extend through the left leg, cinching in all the way around the waist. Release, pausing in plank position, spreading the collarbones wide. If appropriate today, lower the hips towards the seat of the chair, lifting through the heart for a mild back bend. Exhale to release, lifting the hips up and back, hands to the seat of the chair for downward facing dog pose. Step the feet forward halfway, aligning the feet below the hips and the shoulders over the hands. Exploring modified cat-cow stretch. With an inhale, lift through the heart, tilting the pelvis forward lightly. And on the exhale, round the spine, coiling the navel back, chin towards the chest, lengthening the tailbone under slightly. Adding on, inhale, lift and extend through the right leg. Exhale, draw the knee towards the navel, rounding the spine, chin towards the chest. Continue moving at your own pace. With each inhale, lift and lengthen, extending the leg back. And with each exhale, round the spine, drawing the knee in towards the navel, chin towards the chest, stretching across the upper back. Transitioning into spinal balance, pause with the right leg extended, with the right knee pointing towards the earth. When you're ready, extend the left arm forward, shoulder height, reaching through the fingertips. Continue to draw the navel back, keeping the spine neutral, pressing back through the ball of the right foot to lengthen, feeling the leg parallel to the earth with the back of the neck long. Release and return to center, repeating to the opposite side. Inhale, lift and extend through the left leg. Exhale, draw the knee in, coiling the navel back, rounding the spine, chin towards the chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. Moving into a modified spinal balance, pause with the left leg extended, reaching back through the ball of the left foot. When you're ready, extend the right arm forward, shoulder height, reaching through the fingertips. Continue to keep the spine in a neutral position, lengthening through the crown of the head and back through the tailbone, with the core engaged. Slowly release and step the feet back into downward facing dog pose.
Now that was good.
Are you enjoying the benefits of happy yoga? Now you can lengthen, strengthen, and tone your body with your own Happy Chair Yoga DVD. In each DVD, Sarah guides you through a modified yoga practice, using a chair for support, providing you with an easy entrance into a gentle yoga practice, all while featuring the beauty of Mother Nature. Receive yoga's rejuvenating benefits as you relax and tone your body, increase flexibility, improve your breathing habits and posture, while enhancing your overall well-being. Enjoy a yoga practice that is invigorating, fun, and accessible, but most of all, effective. Order your copy today.